Write a method that checks whether the given positive number has the digit tree or not. Don't convert input to other types, and don't use built-in functions. So we have a method for this challenge, and we get a number, and so we have a while loop for loop in digits, and number is greater than 0, and in loop, so if condition, if number remainder of 10 is 3, so we have 3 in number. So console.writeLine true, and return for stop the loop, and else number divide by 10, and if we don't have 3 in number, console.writeLine false. So call the method. In here we have challenge, and for example 10, and challenge, for example 1 2 3, and save and run. We have false and we have true. 1 2 3 is true and 10 is false.